Just got a new package from Kizer, and this is the Kizer Militaw fixed blade knife. Look at this, all ready for the holidays and all that jazz. Ooh, look at the Militaw logo right there. Okay, let's get this open. All right, looks like we got some best wishes for you, some season's greetings, Militaw or mischief. That's funny. These are stickers. That's gonna be cool for my daughter. But this right here is the fixed blade. So let's take that out and take a look at this. Ooh wee, okay. This is a bigger boy, that's for sure. So this is the Militaw Nitro V is the steel on this, and in hand it feels really good. You got jimping up there too, maybe for some slicey cuts up here, you know what I'm saying? Let me take that off, and wow, look at that. Now let's see what else comes in here. Okay, so you got yourself a little microfiber cloth, branded Kizer, instruction manual, and you got some, yeah, it's a celebration. I love the packaging. And the Kydex sheath with this little clip here. Goes onto a belt, clips on like so. Let's see how this fits. Ooh, love the retention. Give it a shake. Okay, that's in there pretty good. Comes off like that. Okay, I like it. I'm definitely gonna take this off though. Give it an ulti clip so that way it can have a little bit more of a deep carry. There we are. This is the Kizer Militaw fixed blade, guys. What do you guys think? Thank you so much to Kizer for sending this over. Look at the scales on this thing. It's like micarta, G10 and micarta. I wonder if you can switch that out. Full tang. All right. Kizer Militaw. Peace.